Around 729 people have reported earning more than six figures per year in income while using this method. Yes, you heard that correctly. Over $100,000 per year based on what I'm about to show you. For many people, this is a life changing experience, and many of them are brand new starters with no prior experience earning money online. So, today I'm very happy for you to join me in this video. A quick heads up, I'll be showing you three different money making apps or websites, as well as some special tricks to fully automate everything so that you don't have to do anything at all while still earning free money on a regular basis using 100% automated methods. This is a newly found hidden method that is not available anywhere. Therefore, ensure that you don't miss out on any important steps. Lastly, this method is absolutely free. No need for initial payments and monthly subscriptions, and it is available worldwide, meaning anyone from any part of the world can do this easily. All you need is your phone or laptop, and you can get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. There are three apps we'll cover today that have the potential to increase your earnings by 5 or tenfold. Let's get started with the first step, shall we? Make Money Free Cash App is the number one app on the list. To be completely honest, I've never heard anyone mention this before. This is a great tool for beginners who have no prior knowledge or skill and are looking for something simple. Now, if you have an Android phone, you can find this in your Google Play Store. And if you have an iPhone, you can find it in your App Store. You can also search this in your browser. Just type in the link makemoney.tech and it will lead you to the website's homepage. All you have to do here is to complete as many tasks as you can in the Hot Offers tab. The task may vary. It can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. So once you've downloaded this app, they will show you a few jobs that you can start performing right away, and you'll be able to earn for each and every click you make. Yes, you may earn per click by simply tapping on your phone, and you can do it again and again. Now, one good thing about this application is that they are completely transparent because they will show you how much money you are making today, how much money you are making at this hour, and they will allow you to view the statistics themselves. Now, once you've accumulated all your profits, you'll be able to see just how much money you're making right there on the screen. After that, you'll be able to cash out, and payout usually takes about 24 hours. I'm talking about actual money that you can cash out your earnings and deposit into your PayPal account or your bank account at any time. If you prefer cryptocurrencies, you can withdraw your money and deposit it into your Bitcoin wallet. The number of various payouts options available is simply overwhelming. Despite the fact that you'll earn a lot of money by simply clicking on your phone, you'll still need time, don't you? Doing this method requires lengthy periods of time spent clicking. Even though it's quite simple, some individuals are fine with it. Some of you, however, may be preoccupied with other responsibilities. Work, commute, study, family, or you may want more leisure or free time to participate in another activity that you enjoy. We all have limited amount of time. However, we'd still want to earn a little extra money. And it is at this point that I'd like to show you a secret strategy that will allow you to automatically click on the app every single day, resulting in thousands and thousands of clicks. What I'll show you is how it works step by step, along with how we can take advantage of a few free software programs that we can use together to generate a lot more income automatically. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To begin with, I want you to visit the Google Play or Apple Play Store. Now, I want you to type in AutoClicker in the search box and click on the very first app shown, which is the AutoClicker by True Developer Studio. This is a software that you can download into your phone that allows you to tap and click on your screen automatically. This does not require any root access. This is a great app since it has been rated at 4 stars in the Play Store and downloaded by 10 million users. And the best part about this AutoClicker is that it is so basic and easy to use. Set them up and you're ready to go. Once they're in a single target mode, you may choose where they'll be focusing. For example, you may program the Boost Circle into the phone center, which You can see right there to keep tapping on the phone screen every second like you have a robot clicking on it automatically. And you can do that for a minute over 60 times, which means you can earn a significant amount of money automatically by doing so, especially if you have many devices to work with. If you have 2 or 3 cell phones, or if you have an iPad, you will be able to earn substantially more money. Seriously, you guys, that's completely insane. After that, we'll move on to the app number 2, which is called Feature Points. You can either type featurepoints.com into the search bar of your browser or look for it in the Play Store or App Store on your phone to get started. Here you get rewards by taking surveys, downloading apps, sharing them with your friends, entering contests, and other similar activities, and this is completely free to use. You can also earn hundreds of dollars as cashbacks with Feature Points if you stop at your favorite stores like Gap, Microsoft, and Sephora. Now, I've already cashed out on this application numerous times over hundreds of dollars, and I want to continue doing so. Right now, I'm routinely generating passive money while engaging in a variety of activities. I also have some additional money from referrals and points, which is coming in on a daily basis as well. And every single day, I cash out some money. Now it's time for the last app. Let's have a look at this before I show you the app. As you can see, this app is covering a wide range of areas around the world. The program is available for download on both iOS and Android smartphones and is completely free to use if you're from the United Kingdom, United States of America, Philippines, Germany, China, Australia, Nigeria, India, Mexico, and any other countries in the world. The name of the third app that I'll be introducing is iPoll. You can download this on the Play Store or App Store. Also, you may search this on your browser. Just type in iPoll.com. Unlike other market research communities, there's more to iPoll than online surveys. Here you can share your honest feedback in a quick poll, test prototype products, discover your local area with real-world missions, and more. The survey topics range from trending news and opinions to your favorite TV shows and brands. The surveys on this website are actually quite simple and easy. It will take you approximately 3 to 5 minutes to complete them. They also send you more and more basic and simple surveys as you complete them, which will allow them to continue to increase your money. Now, after being able to do surveys, you'll be able to cash out your money through Amazon gift cards, PayPal money, or Apple gift cards. Since you stayed until the end of the video, I have a bonus strategy for you as a reward. Let me show you this extra money-making website, which is called Survey on the Go. This is another survey website that you can use in addition to others. And for every single time you click a link and complete a brief survey, you'll earn approximately 50 cents, $1 or $2 or whatever amount you want. This isn't a lot of money, to be honest. However, if you want to make some additional money while you're out and about, you can just hop on here and complete surveys. And the best part is that you can actually combine AutoClicker on all of the websites that I just mentioned earlier. Now, this is an easy and simple way to make money online. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.